welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you guys how to make chocolate strawberry cupboard. It is very simple recipe from Nepali CBTM. Hopefully guys like very much. So first thing, we need to preparation for maybe 10 20 or whatever, how much you want to make the strawberry chocolate cupboard. So today I'm going to make only 9 pieces chocolate cover strawberry, and this is for my wife. Maybe she's gonna be very happy. So guys, I was already cold water strawberry, and I'm going to now dry, because you need to dry first, otherwise it doesn't stuck the hot chocolate properly. And there is some ingredients like cocoa chocolate powder and Hershey dark chocolate and confectionery sugar powder, and very easy to make delicious and looks good chocolate strawberry cover. Recipe from Nepali CBTM. Don't forget to watch my channel. So this is chocolate strawberry cover is very famous in the world, and especially the kids very much like it, and for the girls and wife also, and girlfriend also. And guys, don't forget to make tonight your wife when you come at home. So you make chocolate cover strawberry, she's gonna be very happy. Okay, so I'm going to show the how to the double boil system. So this is the put the water is a half bowl, and then you put the bowl on the top and turn on the heat full high, and I'm going to drop chocolate broke like that, and inside I'm going to put whole chocolate inside and let them 2 minutes. Water comes boil, and it's gonna be slowly melted chocolate, and I'm going to dip inside the strawberry. So this is very good for everybody what we want. Don't forget to make at your home. It's very popular, it's very famous, and every woman is very like it very much. And you can use for the party, birthday party, baby shower, anniversary. This is very simple. So guys, now almost melted in the chocolate. Look at that in the bowl. Almost done. So guys, you can make at home also, it's very easy, because if you buy outside it's very too expensive. Maybe 10 pieces 20 pieces is $40, and no need to buy outside. So you could make at home also, very easy. So I'm going to cover chocolate strawberry slowly, no need to hurry. Look at that, look delicious, look beautiful, yeah. So I'm going to do one by one. One more time, don't forget to make at home, okay guys, tonight, for your wife, for your kids. So now I'm done. So I'm going to put in the refrigerator 10 to 15 minutes. This is after 15 minutes I take from the refrigerator. So I'm going to put little bit chocolate sauce on the top. Little bit on the top. confectional sugar. Okay guys, I'm going to taste chocolate strawberry cover. Very sweet and delicious. So guys, thank you for watching my video. I hope to see you guys in my next video. Please like, subscribe my channel. If you have some suggestion about my video, please don't forget to write in comment box. I hope you guys enjoy with family tonight. Thank you very much.